Completely unashamed about your phone use, huh? Completely unashamed of your phone use. I'm going to report it, so you got 2 weeks to wait for a letter now. To double check, LL10RKY, if I'm not mistaken.